Inpainting is a conservation process where deteriorated, damaged, severely soiled, and missing parts of an artwork are carefully filled in to present a complete image. The ultimate goal of inpainting is to reinstate the damaged areas in the artwork without covering the original. The process of inpainting can be applied to both physical and digital art mediums such as oil paintings, sculptures, acrylic paintings, digital images, videos, and chemical photographic prints. Would you like to learn more? We explore critical techniques like inpainting through the Art History and Economics Glossary, a trusted guide for art collectors, conservators, and art enthusiasts. Learn more at seedgallerynewyork.com.